Okay, so we're gonna round the corner on some sheet metal using a circle template. I'm Mr. G at Memorial High School, and this is basically how you would put a radius on the edge. Now the radius I'm looking for is 1 inch. So that means that you're gonna need a 2-inch diameter circle template. And then what you do is just put the corner right there. So it's really just the quarter right there. And then you take a marker and you just mark it. All right, so hold on. So I have someone filming now. So you go to the corner, let's say, and then you go to this quarter. Let's say this is 3 o'clock, and this is this is 9 o'clock, and this is 12 o'clock. Then you just go from end to end right there, like that. So the next step would be to use some sheet metal shears, right? And let's say I'll do this one. And I'm just gonna get it close. I'm not gonna get it perfect because these shears are actually, I think, worn out, and so I can't actually. I'm having trouble cutting with them. I think they're worn out. Something happened to them. They got teenagered. So now immediately when you're done cutting, little shavings like that, if you put your hand into that by accident, they would be terrible. So we go right to the garbage with these. Okay, so hold on 1 second. I'll be right there. Okay. And then once you got it close, you could take a look at how close you are by going like this. You see that? Okay. So now we're going to take this. Come on over here. We're going to take it and put it in the vise, right? And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to use a file. Can you see the file?
Yes.
You can see that? Okay. This one I call number 1, but it means it's coarse. So if you were to, you see, it's kind of like a nail file, but like, a serious one. And then I put gloves on because I find that just in case you run your hand into that, I'd rather the glove takes the hit than you, right? Okay, so now I'm just gonna look here for a second. Now I'm just gonna run off the edge right here. So come on in close right here, and I go straight, and I just kind of fall off the cliff, straight like this, and fall off the cliff. But you gotta be watching right here, and what we're gonna do is just round that off right there. And then I might do the side and the side. And that's basically it with that. Okay, now you can feel that. It feels kind of rough, right? There's a lot of little edges that get caught. The next thing is I'm going to take the number 2, which is called the fine, and then I'm going to, you can even hear the difference. And I'm going to do that, right? And I'm going to go like this, right? Now that one is better, right? But it's still kind of, and then I'm going to take the last part, is just a little bit of sandpaper, and just go ahead and just do this. And you'd be amazed at how good that comes out. Go ahead, feel that.
Yeah.
Amazing, right? Okay, and so that's what would be acceptable for all around, so that when you do handle it, you don't have these sharp edges. Okay. All right, I'm Mr. G, and that was how to do a radiused edge on an 030 piece of sheet metal using template, right? Circle template, sheet metal shears, hand shears, right? And then a coarse file, a fine file, and then sandpaper. All right, see you later.